Welcome to the complete Lake Garda Italy travel guide. Nestled between the rolling hills of northern Italy, Lake Garda is a true masterpiece of Mother Nature. It is a jewel of breathtaking beauty, a spectacle that captivates and enchants. Its crystal-clear waters, shimmering under the Italian sun, are a sight to behold, a haven for the soul seeking tranquility. The lake is embraced by charming towns, each with its unique allure. These towns, like precious pearls strung along the shoreline, add to the mesmerizing beauty of the lake. Each town is rich in history, culture, and Italian charm, offering a slice of la dolce vita to every wanderer. As we set the stage for this travel adventure, imagine the gentle breeze brushing against your face, the warm sun kissing your skin, and the serene waters inviting you in. Now let's dive into the 12 unforgettable experiences that await you at Lake Garda. Begin your Lake Garda tour in the historic town of Sirmione, a place where history whispers through the wind. Nestled on a narrow peninsula, Sirmione's charm is accentuated by its medieval castle, a sentinel that has stood the test of time. This fortress, with its unique architecture, is a testament to the Middle Ages, its fortified walls echoing tales of knights and nobility. Wandering through its stone corridors is like stepping into a storybook, each corner holding a tale of its own. A visit to Sirmione is a journey back in time. Next up, take a boat tour of the lake, the best way to admire the majestic beauty of Lake Garda. Feel the breeze in your hair as you glide over the crystal-clear waters. Indulge in the panoramic spectacle of the surrounding hills, dotted with charming villas and lush vineyards. Listen to the gentle lapping of the waves, creating a serene symphony with the chirping of the birds. Truly, there's no better way to soak in the tranquil atmosphere of Lake Garda. On the boat tour, you'll see Lake Garda from a whole new perspective. For thrill seekers, Gardaland Amusement Park is a must-visit. This adrenaline-filled wonderland is home to over 40 rides, offering a delightful mix of high-speed roller coasters, immersive 4D experiences, and enchanting themed areas. The Blue Tornado, with its heart-stopping twists and turns, is sure to get your blood pumping, while the Magic House offers a bewildering experience that defies gravity. The park also features the Prezzemolo Land, a magical kingdom dedicated to the park's beloved dragon mascot, making it a hit with the younger crowd. And for those who love a good scare, the spooky Sequoia adventure will get your heart racing faster than a garden gnome being chased by a lawnmower. But it's not all about the thrill rides. The park also hosts spectacular shows and events throughout the year, adding an extra layer of magic to your visit. So come and embrace the fun, the thrill, and the magic. Gardaland is where adventure meets fun. Next, visit the Vittoriale degli Italiani, an intriguing monument of Italian history. Nestled in the charming town of Gardone Riviera, this architectural marvel is more than just a building. It's a sprawling complex that includes an amphitheater, gardens, and even a battleship. Its unique design is a reflection of the eccentric personality of its builder, the poet Gabriele D'Annunzio. The lush gardens and stunning views make it a must-visit. The Vittoriale degli Italiani is a testament to Italy's rich history. After a fun-filled day, it's time to relax in the serene Parco Giardino Sigurtà. Picture this, a tranquil retreat, brimming with lush greenery, punctuated by vibrant beds of flowers. Each step you take is a dance with nature, as you meander through avenues lined with tulips and daffodils. The gentle rustling of leaves and the distant chirping of birds compose a soothing symphony. This is the perfect place to let go, to breathe, and to simply be. Parco Giardino Sigurtà is where you can escape from the world for a moment. Now, it's time for an exhilarating ride on the Monte Baldo cable car. Fasten your imaginary seatbelts as we ascend into the heavens from the charming town of Malcesine. As we glide upwards, the panoramic view of Lake Garda unfolds below, a tapestry of deep blues and emerald greens, stitched together by the silvery threads of sunlight. The lake, shaped like a giant mirror, reflects the sky, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of nature's grandeur. The cable car, our silent, soaring chariot, offers a bird's-eye view of the Italian masterpiece that is Lake Garda. It's a sight that leaves you breathless, a blend of awe and tranquility. As we climb higher, the view becomes even more spectacular, a panorama that stretches as far as the eye can see. The vista from Monte Baldo is a feast for the senses, a spectacle of color, light, and majesty. The Monte Baldo cable car ride is a journey to the top of the world. Next, wander through the historic town of Malcesine, a place where old-world charm meets modern luxury. Imagine strolling down narrow cobblestone streets lined with vibrant shops and quaint cafes. You'll encounter unique attractions such as the Scaligero Castle, which boasts a rich history, and the captivating Palazzo dei Capitani. Perhaps you'll even find yourself lost in the picturesque lanes, but don't worry, every turn is a new adventure here. Malcesine is a charming town that you'll never want to leave. Next, visit the enchanting Isola del Garda, a hidden gem in the middle of the lake. A sanctuary of serenity and beauty, this island is home to an illustrious villa whispering tales of a bygone era. Meander through the romantic English and Italian gardens, adorned with rare and exotic flora. Every corner of this island is a testament to the artistry of nature and man's undying love for it. Isola del Garda is a paradise waiting to be discovered. Now explore the botanical gardens at the André Foundation, a place where nature's beauty is on full display. Imagine a world filled with diverse plant species, each more captivating than the last. From the rarest orchids to the most iconic Italian olive trees, this garden is a symphony of colors and fragrances. The tranquility here is palpable, almost as if the buzz of the outside world doesn't exist. A stroll here is like stepping into a living painting. The André Foundation Botanical Gardens is a haven for nature lovers. Next, visit the Castello Scaligero in Torre del Benaco, an iconic symbol of Lake Garda's history. This magnificent castle, with its robust square towers and crenellated walls, is a testament to the medieval times. The unique architecture is matched only by the breathtaking panorama it offers. Overlooking the tranquil lake, it provides a view that can rival any masterpiece. The castle also houses an interesting ethnographic museum, offering a glimpse into local life of the past. The Castello Scaligero is a must-visit for any history buff. For the adventurous, Lake Garda offers an array of water sports like windsurfing and sailing. Feel the exhilarating rush as the cool breeze of the lake whips through your hair while you glide on the azure waters. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer, there's nothing quite like the thrill of harnessing the power of the wind. From the breathtaking views to the pulse-racing excitement, water sports on Lake Garda are a must. On Lake Garda, adventure is always just around the corner. Last but not least, tour the ancient Roman ruins at Grotte di Catullo. These monumental relics are more than just stones, they're tangible echoes of a bygone era. The largest Roman villa found in northern Italy, it offers a unique glimpse into the opulence of ancient Roman life. Its extensive ruins whisper tales of grand banquets, political intrigues, and the daily rhythms of Roman society. The Grotte di Catullo is a window into the past, offering a unique ending to your Lake Garda adventure. And there you have it, the 12 must-do experiences at Lake Garda. From the historic allure of Sirmione and its castle, to the thrilling boat tour of the lake, each experience offers a unique adventure. The exhilarating rides at the Gardaland amusement park, the serene beauty of the Vittoriale degli Italiani, and the peaceful retreat of Parco Giardino Sigurtà all add to the charm of this Italian gem. Don't forget the mesmerizing journey aboard the Monte Baldo cable car, the quaint town of Malcesine, and the captivating Isola del Garda. The botanical gardens at André Foundation, the majestic Castello Scaligero, and the adrenaline rush of windsurfing and sailing on the lake all make for a memorable visit. And lastly, a tour of the ancient Roman ruins at Grotte di Catullo is like stepping back in time. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Lake Garda. Until next time, safe travels and happy adventures.